come behind the scenes with me as I style Alix Earle's hair for a photo shoot in Turks and Caicos. Start by sectioning the hair, spray some great barrier, put some laced hair extensions in, then I'm going to cut the extensions, and then obviously I have to beach wave her hair. So I pulled out the Beach Waver Pro 1.25 inch because I wanted a really big, beautiful wave. So I'm starting by taking the section, clamping it, and rotating it away from her face so we get a really beautiful curl throughout each section.
Here's the glam for today with big voluminous hair. I'm so excited.
So then I tousled it, brushed it out, so we got a really big, voluminous, gorgeous wave. I mean, look how beautiful Alix looks. And this Tarte makeup Lex did is so stunning. Okay, so now we head up to the roof of the house to take these gorgeous photos. My job as a hairdresser on set is always to add those extra last-minute touches so the hair looks perfect before the photos. Okay, so now we're heading out to the beach to our next location, and this was super cool because we were out on a rock in the middle of Turks and Caicos, and it was so beautiful. This is one of my favorite things, being with the crew on location, styling hair. And for this shot, I had to perfectly place each hair to showcase those beachy waves. And Lex did an amazing job on her makeup. Look how glowy and gorgeous it is.
And that's a wrap. We'll see you later, Turks and Caicos.